Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Sabudana or Sago Upma. This is made of tapioca pearls and this is a healthy option for your child because early in the morning when they wake up with hunger, you just don't have to fill them with a glass of milk. It is important to take care of their nutrition, give them healthy food in the morning to start a day afresh and with lots of nutrition. Now sabudana is generally made in India as a fasting food, but it is really nutritious and that's why during fasting they have it so that they are full, they don't have the urge to eat more food. But for children you can make it with lot of vegetables, make it extra nutritious and tastier. Sabudana, as you all know, this tapioca pearls as it is called by name, it has this pearl look and also the texture of it being a round, transparent. Kids love it, okay? So this is important to add in texture so that they like the taste, they test it, you help them create love towards their food. Now, to tell you benefits about sabudana or sago, it is rich in carbohydrates, much needed to help them be energized because they are always on their toes, busy, and it is good in starch which helps in easy digestion. It is also rich in calcium and protein, and this is what we want when your baby is going to have a healthy food. Everything is taken care. So let's dive right in and see how to make a healthy sabudana upma. Please note the list of ingredients required to make this sabudana upma. In a pan I am adding sabudana or sago or tapioca pearls. I am adding more water here. We will rinse it and then soak it. Some suggest to rinse it 2 to 3 times, but once is sufficient. Add in more water, cover it and rest it for an hour or so. And then once done, again take out all the extra water and soak it for about allow it to rest it for about 2 to 3 hours in the same bowl without water, and you can see the consistency, how soft and how grainy the sabudana turns out to be. Especially for upma, when you don't want mushy sago or tapioca pearls, you must follow this step. In a pan I am adding in oil. Mustard seeds. Once they splutter, you can even add curry leaves. This is onion. Then I am adding peas and carrot. And this is beans, French beans and potato. Give it a quick mix. Once done, we will cover it with a lid and rest it or cook it for a few minutes. Actually, adding salt will cook it faster. If you are making it for babies, do not add it, please. You can add it at the end. After you take out baby's part from the bowl, add it for yourself. I am covering it so that it's well cooked. Please cook it just 80-90% salt, don't overcook it. Any vegetable. Turmeric. This is chili powder. This is salt. Give it a quick stir. Ensure adding masala before adding sabudana to ensure it is well coated. Now the soaked sabudana, sago, tapioca pearl, coriander leaves and this lemon juice. Give it a quick mix. As the sabudana or sago is very well soaked and grainy, you do not need anything extra here. Mix it, cover it and cook it. So that it turns out translucent. Now it is white in color, it should turn out translucent like this. I should accept that by mistake I added additional water in between because I was scared that it would get cooked or it would just stick to the pan. And you can see it has become slightly soggy and I have added more oil, guys. Please ensure you add less oil as given in the list. That is the perfect one. Do not get scared and add more. as our routine, we will tell you recipe recommendation. You please check sago porridge. It is a healthy option. Using dry dates powder, you can make it. And sago and urad dal cereal, this can be made and kept handy. And whenever you want to prepare porridge for your child, you can prepare it, especially during travel. And you can check vegetable poha. It is a great option for kids who are like always on the toes and want varieties. So this comes with lot of vegetable and paneer. For paneer lovers, you can try this. Mushroom scrambled egg again is a great option because this is a great finger food and snack recipe. Variety is the key. This is what I always tell you. So please make a calendar where your diet and your child's health, the food inclusion is already taken care, and there if you keep if you keep adding on healthier versions, you're taking care of their weekly requirement of protein, vitamin, calcium and all those healthy nutrients. So do check our blog for more such recipes, and check our Tots and Moms food store where you can find healthy porridge mixes, healthy pancake mixes, granola, cereals and drink mixes for your child, including cookies. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel as I post such videos regularly, and like, comment and share this video. Bye bye.